today I just wanted to do a dedicated video on the Hulken bag. I know you've seen this in a couple of my other videos if you watch them. And yeah, I just wanted to do a totally dedicated video on this because it's so amazing and so innovative, and I've just been loving it. So this was sent to me for free because I did reach out to Hulken and ask them if they would like to collaborate with me. So this is a medium in black, and they also have silver and like a rose gold color. It's so pretty. And they also have covers now. I think this was like sold out for a long time, and they brought this back, and it comes in coordinating colors. So it folds out like this, and this does fit underneath the airplane seat, at least on Hawaiian Airlines. And you just open it up like this. So I didn't get the cover in time to take it with me to Japan, but actually I didn't really need it. I felt like, Japan's relatively safe enough where I wasn't afraid of anyone sticking their hand in and messing through my backpacks and stuff. But yeah, it was amazing. And when I was filming on carpet, I couldn't show you how nice this rolled, but it's like zero gravity, just amazing, even with stuff in it. So I did learn about this bag from one of my baseball mom friends, and she had a huge one. And we're like, what is that bag? Why is it so huge? And why is it like so smooth? And ever since then, I've just been like thinking about it, and I really had to have one. And I was like, I'm gonna go on a trip. I think I need that. And it was amazing. Like, I don't think I'm ever gonna travel without this again, especially if the kids are with me. Just being able to have them throw their backpacks in, and I know that their backpacks are in here because they have all their iPads in it and everything, and being able to wheel this around in the airport is like worth it enough to bring it. The day we did take it to Nara, we did a day trip out to Nara, and we were planning to go shopping after. We brought it, and we were like, why did we not bring it on the other days we were walking around the city? It was just being backpack free and being able to stand up straight was so good. This is the first time we traveled without a stroller, and I kind of took it for granted how much stuff we would throw on the bottom, like all of our water or drinks. And I would always hook my backpack onto the stroller handles. So I never had to walk around with a heavy backpack until this trip. So this made it it was like that again, Yeah, I'll insert footage. To be honest, my husband pulled it around most of the time because, he just helps carry all of our stuff. So yeah, this is perfect on the train, on the streets of Tokyo, actually Osaka. We're in Osaka this time. No one thought anything weird, it was just our bag, and everyone has luggage around there anyways. I've also been using this just going grocery shopping, and it's been so nice to just put all of our stuff in here and then picking it up, going outside, taking it to the car, putting it in the trunk. I saw a video on the website where if your trunk is nice and clean and this rolls around in it, you can hook this to the back of the headrest or anything back there, and it'll stabilize it. I don't have that problem. So I always have sports gear in my car. So I'll just demonstrate how this goes on because this is pretty cool. Any other time I would travel, I would probably bring this. So a lot of it is Velcro. So it's a zipper opening, and then there's Velcro right here. I usually do this part first because this bag likes to roll around, especially with nothing in it. And then you really just stick it on top. So you just Velcro it over here. And then you can decide if you want the handles, the side handles up. you would just stick it through here and then Velcro it. And then to make it extra secure, you stick this part through this band and then Velcro it up. So I'll do it on this side too. Yeah, so when you're done, you have like an almost carry-on size luggage, and you can zip it up. So for me, it'll be super good like for potlucks, for the library when I get my small one. That's next on my list. I really want the small one. I thought it would be too small, but after using this one, I'm like, I could see using it for like library books, just little things, and I could really take that like all over. Like holding it like this is really nice too. Like just walking and have this like on the side of you. You don't always have to pull it along. So yeah, I'm looking forward to hopefully getting that when they come in stock again. I think it's June, May or June. I'll have to check the website, but yeah, I totally recommend this bag. I've been loving it. I don't know where it's been this whole time. But yeah. So I'll insert a video of us using it on our trip. It was mostly in Nara and on the train and at the airport. But yeah, thanks for watching and hope you try this out. It's life-changing. I'll see you in my next video.